Before you worry about details, anatomy or style, everything starts here with simple stick figures and a clear line of action. In this lesson, I'll show you how to move from very loose stick figures into a finished figure with drapery and simple perspective. The goal isn't perfection, it's understanding the process. So in this first drawing, it's a running pose, and just simply draw a circle for the head and the chest and the pelvis, and put a halfway point. That's about where the crotch is. That'll help you get the figure right from as far as proportions are concerned. But I'm concerned about the action mostly. So it's a running pose, and we can see that that his legs are halfway up his body. So his the crotch is the centre line. So he's more or less standing. That centre line, that mid line, I should say, will vary according to the pose. But we can get action into this so quickly. It doesn't require much. Just I'm doing this slowly, by the way, for you, but you can do it much quicker when you're confident. Right, so that's the first pose. Now we'll flesh him out a little bit. Don't worry about any detail. It's getting the action right. The line of action there is you know, very nice for a running pose. And of course, this is out of my head. That's the beauty of it. So when you you know, you've got to do a lot of drawing. You can't run around looking for some photograph that'll have the right pose. You've got to sort of work it out yourself. And that's the advantage of having these stick figures. You're not concerning yourself with any detail. You're just trying to get the pose right, first of all. So I'd like to draw two more figures like this in various action poses, and then I'll come down to the bottom and I'll show you how we can really flesh these figures out so that you know, it's much more realistic. The fourth pose will be a standing pose. He won't be doing anything dynamic because I want you to see how it's done. But you see, the moment you start to put some clothes on, they start to look right. Yes, okay. So I'll come back at the end and I'll be showing you much more as we go. Thank you very much. Thanks for drawing along with me. Remember, start loose, keep things simple, and build gradually. If this helped you, subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments what you'd like to explore next.